consider this. The aviation industry in India is soaring like never before. The sky is no longer the limit but the playground. With airlines placing massive orders for new aircraft, there's a boom in this sector that's creating exciting opportunities for those ready to take flight. Now imagine being part of this high-flying world. A career in aviation can offer just that, and so much more. It's not just about the sky-high salaries, though those are certainly a perk. It's about the thrill of being part of an industry that's always on the move, always reaching for new heights. Picture this: free travel for you and your family, experiencing new cultures. As an aviation professional, the world becomes your oyster, and every day can bring a new adventure. But there's more to it than just the wanderlust. There's prestige and respect. An aviation career is glamorous, yes, but it's also authoritative. As an aircraft maintenance engineer, you hold the power. Without your certification, an aircraft is earthbound. It's your expertise, your skill, your signature that clears it for takeoff. That's not just a job, it's a responsibility, a privilege. And where